You've probably heard some buzz about carbon, like carbon footprints and handprints, and maybe even carbon neutrality. All of this can be a bit confusing. So what do these things really mean? Why is carbon such a big deal? And why should you care? Well, we're all made of carbon, and when we make things like buildings or carpet tiles, we also emit carbon. This is called embodied carbon, which is also known as a person or product's carbon footprint. Too much carbon is causing global warming, which is making our climate change, and it's impacting our health right now. When our climate changes and the environment's balance is disrupted, it can have negative impacts on our health and the health of everyone around us. So caring about your health and the health of other humans and living things on Earth means caring about climate change. Let's take a look at how climate change directly impacts human health. According to the Centers for Disease Control and many other organizations, with increased carbon dioxide levels, we experience higher temperatures, which leads to more extreme weather and rising sea levels. But that's not all. Climate change creates air pollution, increases allergens, and impacts water quality and supply, just to name a few. All of these effects can lead to respiratory allergies, asthma, Lyme disease, mental health impacts, and more. So how do we stop this attack on our health? By emitting less carbon and by removing excess carbon that's already in our atmosphere. If we can keep carbon balanced, then we can create a climate fit for life. That's why at Interface, we love carbon. Why? Because we stopped seeing carbon as an enemy and started seeing it as a resource. Since the mid-90s, we've been on a mission to get to zero negative impact on the planet through reducing waste, energy, water usage, and our greenhouse gases, ultimately reducing our carbon footprint to be the lowest in the industry. And as we look to the future, our sights are set on addressing global warming and embodied carbon. By 2040, we've committed to becoming carbon negative. We're actively exploring raw materials that absorb carbon from the atmosphere and using them to make our products. Take Circuit Back Green. Initially launched in Europe, our Circuit Back Green backing absorbs more carbon than it emits during production, making it carbon negative. Our goal is to use 100% recycled or bio-based materials in our products. So we work with our suppliers to reduce the carbon footprint of our products to ensure we maintain our environment and our health. Because our products already have the lowest carbon footprint, it allows us to buy offsets on all of our products globally through our Carbon Neutral Floors program. Offset projects have immediate health co-benefits, like turning dirty fuel sources for cooking into clean ones. And you can make a difference with your floors too. By choosing Interface and Carbon Neutral Floors, you can see exactly how much a floor is contributing to the reduction of global warming. Together, we can keep our planet and us happy and healthy. To learn more about why we love carbon and how you can reverse global warming, visit interface.com/FYI.